All right, ladies and gentlemen, traders, welcome back to another recap. As you guys know, my voice is nowhere to be found. So this one is going to be short and sweet, just 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. So before we get into it, remember to hit the thumbs up and remember our disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky. A lot of people are having a hard time, so take it slow. Utilize simulators and or a small cash account with 1 to 10 shares to practice before being aggressive. Remember, copy trading never works in this channel. My results are not typical. And lastly, I do not invest for my subscribers. So remember the disclaimer. I will never message you first. There's a lot of imposter accounts. So with that being said, let's just quickly talk about the two stocks that we traded today and did well on. We were red on two, but small red in comparison to the green that we had. AILE and GTI were the top two. GTI, I thought this one was a little tricky. Initially, I went red on it 1300 before coming back to green, which wasn't great. Went fairly red here in this move going up here around 11 and then again 11:30. It wasn't up until 11:45 that we were able to get some green, but same old, same old. We're trading the momentum, riding the wave. As usual, we're trading all the high volume stocks with low floats and high percentage moves, right? As you guys know, if we check our Momo Pro scanner, right? So, INTZ, AILE, 200% move, GTI, 150% move. When these stocks are this volatile and can move this much in a short time frame, this is what allows us to be able to be hyper scalpers, trading the momentum, getting in and out. If I put up my show trades here, you'll see how many times I got in and out on this thing. Look at that. Actively scalping the range over and over again. So, in terms of our patterns and setups and how we're looking to manage risk, we're actively getting in and out with really tight stops. These stocks do trade within the 100th of the penny. But in terms of patterns, we have our micros. We'll have the red to greens, the 1 minute pullback patterns like this right here, which acts also as a short-term bull flag. And then we get the move up, resolution, pullback, double bottom, as we're watching areas like this where we panic flush, and so forth, on and on, right? Here, as we can see, beautiful red to green consolidation, 1 minute candle breaks out, new highs, 3 bar play, bull flag. 3 bar play didn't quite resolve here, and more of a flag, new high, baby pullback, new high, baby pullback, double bottom. These were the trades that I was watching at in this area that allowed me to get from red 1300 to green 1K. Similarly to AILE, if we were to come over here, AILE, this one, just really aggressive early. I was not prepared for this move. This was so aggressive, over 33 cents. Thing took off like a missile. And absolutely, I made nothing here. It is just so strong. There was a resumption. I did buy the bottom of the resumption and sold it a half second too soon and missed like a 10-cent move. It was just a mess. So I did get green 1700, which, I'm saying I wasn't really green because for the move we had, that amount is, just not that much. And I ended up giving it all back right here on the way down. I gotta be careful of the first pullback after an extended move up. What are the odds that this thing just curls up right here after such a ridiculous move? It's gonna need to drop. It's gonna need to drop some more. And what I do love about this pullback is that it was not 100% retracement. Because the Christmas tree, the stock just keeps going down. And there's examples of that in, let's look at PDYN. PDYN started up, well, it did curl back up later in the day, but this one started off very hot, nice move, and then the pullback, again, instead of maybe holding up like right here and then going back higher, this one just absolutely just all the way back down, right? So we were glad that AILE held up early, continued, again, the red to green here, bit of a bear flag. I mean, it's a high bull flag. It's a bit of a low bull flag, but if in the short term, it's a bit of a bear flag. If we're to move the chart forward one tick or two. Can I get that on that red candle? Yeah. So a bit of a bear flag. Consolidation, red to green. So these are the patterns, within that, you have the flags like this, that goes higher, resolves, red to green coming down here, bottoming wicks, which allow for some panic flush opportunities, VWAP bounces, and so forth. And we're always keeping our stops tight, breakout or bailout on the breakouts or on the dips, same thing. And that's how we were able to get it done. Our biggest win probably around like 1500. Our biggest loss maybe like 1K. We did take some losses, but yeah, guys, that was pretty much the day. I do want to say, it's been so far an incredible year. We have 2 days remaining, and I can't wait to see the year-end results from all the students and all the other mentors. It's going to be insane to see. And for those of you who are looking to get with us into the new year, I just made a coupon. It's not on the website yet, but coupon code New Year will give you guys 40% off and this is only for the full package. For the full package, for the people who want everything to really get to learn and dial in with us, coupon code New Year will give you guys access to the curriculum. And when it comes down to our patterns, you guys will hear me say bull flag, pullbacks, bottoming wicks, and all this good stuff. And a lot of that comes from chapter 14, right? ABCD patterns, 3-bar plays, flat tops, baby pullbacks, cup and handles, red to greens. It's all laid out here in a very methodical way. It's progressive, it's easy to digest. Go through the material, learn the course, and then when you start to practice, utilize cash accounts, small cash accounts with 1 to 10 shares. No need to be out there guns a-blazing like Rambo if you're not consistently making money. All right. So even with the bad voice, I hope you guys appreciate the dedication because we're still showing up. And this is how much I love what I do here. In sickness and in health, I will be here. Doesn't matter. I'll be here. So check it out. Check out the showcase of all the live trading archives, the raw recording. And you know what? Just for a bonus for those of you who are still here, I'm going to show just a quick archive, a small part of the archive from today. And by the way, shout out to the chat room. Before I show that archive, shout out to the chat room and shout out to our students. Minty, one of the students, had a 19K day and took the time to give us a full 40-minute recap of his day. So shout out to Minty, shout out to all the students that did well. This guy absolutely killed it. As you guys can see here, $19,000 in just 1 day of trading. And he's one of our students. Shout out to Minty. Shout out to Daniel. Daniel is his actual name. Sometimes we'll go by our Discord usernames. But yeah, in terms of the archive, let's just take a quick look at the open when we had that incredible strength going up on... Okay, I have 2 recordings. Here we go. So this is... Did I have it up? I think. Okay, here we go. AILE, right hand side of the screen, just to show you guys a little bit of how crazy the range was, how strong this thing was. So at 40 cents, and I'm a little late to it as I pulled it up, but again, from 40 cents, this thing is just, it's just moving. A little bit of a lagging order there. But man, this stock was incredibly, just look at that, right? from 40, it just teleports. It teleports up to 49. This is the kind of movements we were seeing. Just if you were holding longer early, man. So right here, I tried to buy the dip as it pulled back off those highs, and the spreads were a little too big. I should have hit the bids. I should have hit the bids here. I didn't. And, we know what it is. I'm going to get filled high. And I did. And it turned out to not be a great trade. If you guys saw, the bids were down there a little lower. So I had to take the loss here. This wasn't a great way to start. Ended up losing like 700 bucks, 600 bucks right there. So as mentioned, I took some losses. And I made back some money here, though, I think. Let's see. Is it over 50? And like right here, I should have took the breakout, right? I think I needed to be a little bit more aggressive towards some of the breakouts. I'm going to try. I'm right here. I'm chasing the stock a little bit. Trying for 52. It does rip to 56. Selling a little too soon, not in full connection and tandem with the range of the stock. Should have held a little longer knowing it could go more. But, so I was fighting here, fighting. Stock got halted. Here's the resumption trade where I could have done way better. And then we'll shut it down. So we're halted, and then all right, so here's the resumption. It's like it's a little sideways. It's weird how it resumed. But right here I went for it, but there's a little bit of fear. There's a little bit of fear, and I think that's why I'm gonna sell the trade early, because yeah, oh man, but I needed to give it a chance. And I didn't. I didn't. It was moving in my favor. It was just like nonsense volume in the beginning there. And the moment it cleared, it started going up and I sold. I needed to wait. I'm in at 56. Look at how fast it's gonna go up. Look at this. Oh, I could have had like, oh man. I could have made like 2 grand right there. Just like that. Oh man. Oh, that's rough. That's rough. That's rough. In the moment I'm kicking myself so bad, but all part of trading. I was just a little fearful because of how it resumed. We didn't really dip. I think I needed to be a little bit more firm with that trade. One of my biggest missed opportunities today. But shout out to all the team members as mentioned. It's been a good one. Shutting it down. Stay safe, stay green. I'm gonna rest up, hit that thumbs up. Coupon code New Year for the full package for anybody who is looking to get involved. All right, the full course. Coupon code New Year. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Remember our disclaimer: trading is risky, trading is hard, takes time. It is not get rich quick. Takes months, more commonly years. We gotta grind, we gotta put in the work. It's the only way to get to where we need to be. All right. That being said, I'll catch you guys on Monday.